Bam. The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel, to a new video, and we're gonna do a quick update on what's happening with Cardano, because I know you guys are interested. So I think there's a few things we have to talk about, so let's get into the charts and see what's actually happening with Cardano. Let's just move this over here and start talking about this number over here, 115. If you remember from the previous videos, we've been talking how important it is to break 115 line, and it just never broke it. I'm just gonna leave all the previously drawn things on the chart because so we don't have to draw everything again, right? Anyways, 115 was very important to break. And you can see here on the pump over here, it went all the way up to the 115, couldn't, then it broke it, but then closed below it again, and then got rejected and went down. So you can see even over here, the 115 line is very important to get above to actually be bullish again. The reason we got this pump over here was because we went all the way down to the 200 moving average, and we even got wick down to this yellow area down here around 96, 97, right? And this is our support area, and now hitting the 200 moving average on the 4 hourly at the same time, going all the way almost down to the yellow area, kind of told me like this is some kind of support area, and it's gonna bounce. And it did bounce. Tried to hold the support area, went all the way up here, went all the way to the 119 line, and then just crashed back down again. So when it was going down, it came back to this 200 moving average. It just couldn't hold, and of course it broke down. You can see the wick went all the way down back to our support area at 96, and now it's trading just below the 200 moving average over here. On the daily, you can also see that our support area is soon to be hit by the 50 moving average. So the 50 moving average is gonna start going slowly up, right, and the price is gonna go. So the 50 moving average and the support area might actually give us a pretty decent support if we ever get that far, But right now there's something very bullish happening with Cardano, and that's on the 4 hourly chart. And I'm gonna just show you here. That's on the RSI. We got an RSI divergence, hidden bullish divergence on the RSI, and you can see here the price is going down. I don't know if you can see it, but it is going down, right? And the RSI is going up. So this is hidden bullish divergence when the price goes down and RSI going up. So that means that we should get some kind of bounce from these levels over here. Up, right? So how big bounce it is gonna be? It doesn't have to be a big, it can just be a small bounce. Maybe this is already over, but bounce should actually come. Now the bounce that I'm expecting, it's up to this 50 line. I'm gonna explain why the 50 line I'm expecting the bounce to. Because if you look at the price of the Cardano, you can see that clearly on the 4 hourly, the yellow line, the 50 moving average, was clearly a support on the way up. And when we were going down, once we broke the 50 moving average, it tried to break up here. Couldn't, went further down, went all the way down to support to that 200 moving average, bounced, tried to break the 200 moving, the 50 moving average, couldn't, went further down, and then crashed down to this support area below. And now we're getting this hidden bullish divergence. So I'm expecting bounce, but I'm only expecting bounce to retest the 50 moving average. So if we are gonna get above the 50 moving average or not, that depends, but we have to retest it again. So next resistance line is the 50 moving average actually, not the 1.15. 1.15 it comes later, but right now we are in some kind of I'd say it's some kind of triangle between the 50 moving average going down and the this support line. So we are in some kind of triangle, maybe even the 200 moving average. Let's put back all the moving averages on the chart. No, sorry, 200 moving averages all the way up there. Let's look at a daily where this is going. Yeah, so maybe the resistance is in this triangle between the 50 moving average and the support line. That seems plausible. Let's just go a little bit back and clear this up like this. What happened there? So what I want to see now is the price getting above the 50 moving average right over here. There is a very nice resistance line over here, and I'm seeing it now, so I'm gonna try to draw it. Why does this jump all every time I try to do something? Maybe something like this. Maybe you should do this on the daily. Let's just see how it looks on the daily. There are too many wicks. There are too many wicks. Which are we gonna use? We're gonna use the magnet as well. We're gonna use this wick over here. Maybe something here, but I wanna actually hit it down here. So maybe sorry, let's use this one over here. Something like this. Nah, it doesn't. You know, with the dailies and these wicks, it's really hard. It's really hard to do. This is really hard to do. Let's see on 1 hour if you can draw some nice line on this. I should have probably done this before, and video is gonna pan out because I want to use this stop over here. Yeah, this is the line. I think this is the line. Let's see where the moving averages are. This is 1 hourly. That's 200 moving average at the resistance line here. Let's look at the 4 hourly. Yeah, that's a nice line. So this is the line basically we have to break, and it corresponds to the 50 moving average. So if we can get bounce over here, if we can get bounce above this resistance line, above the 50 moving average as well, and we can get support over here, that would be the best case scenario for Cardano right now. After that we can look for 115, but right now we are not looking for it. We just looking to get out of this falling down. It might be actually also be some kind of a falling wedge, right, that we are supposed to break out of, because you can see clearly here that this is not a triangle, this is falling wedge, right? It goes all the way up here. So maybe this is it. Maybe we are supposed to get out of right over here, because let's try to draw it on the hourly again, the lower line, and see if it's not gonna work on 1 hourly. Let me do this on the daily and see if we can get something up here, maybe something like this, but then this doesn't hit that, but it goes all the way up here. So maybe something like this. Maybe let's see how it looks on the. Yeah, it's nice. It's nice enough. So basically, we are some kind of falling wedge over here. I think this is a falling wedge, and we got this RSI divergence over here. Sorry, hidden bullish divergence. We are supposed to go up, and this is the line actually to look to break. If you can break over this line over here, maybe even get some kind of a retest on the line or something like that, that would be the best case scenario, and then after that we can look for 115. Anyways, that's what I got for Cardano right now. I don't think this is the best thing ever right now, but you know, the support down here is quite strong, so if we break that on the downside, that would be very bearish. So I'm expecting this to hold, and since we are in this maybe in this falling wedge, we are likely to get out on the upside. Anyways, that's it for the Cardano video today. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. I do a couple of Cardano videos from time to time, so that might be good for you. Like the video if you liked my technical analysis, and post any comments for YouTube algorithm. Thanks for watching. See you around. Bye bye.